వందకు పైగా దీర్ఘకాలిక సమస్యలకు ఎటువంటి ఆపరేషన్ దుష్ప్రభావాలు లేకుండా హోమియోపతి చికిత్స.
And nowadays
ఆ టైంలో పేరెంట్స్ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉండేది? చాలా అంటే రిలేషన్షిప్ ఈజ్ యువర్స్ పర్సనల్, బట్ స్ట్రగుల్ ఫ్యామిలీ కూడా.
yes,
మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రగుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ పీరియడ్. సో మీరు ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యేవారు ఆ టైంలో?
I don't
How
know what to
you
say
feel?
because my father, like I said, is in the army. Because of me, my parents, both my mom and dad, they've seen courts, they've seen police station in their entire life. Nobody in my family has seen that. Because of the second incident that happened, they also, because people say, oh, she must have done something wrong. That's what people talk, కదా. ఆమె 100% ఏదైనా తప్పు చేసింది. That's why this happened with her. She was with this man. Also, they have this victim shaming mentality. People in India, or I'll say in the world, they have this. When a girl says something bad happened, this man did wrong to me, they don't blame the man. Oh, she must have done something. That is, I don't know when that will change. But I feel very proud of Priyanka Chopra and all these women who are the flag bearers, they're speaking for women, changing the world for us. So, and the second incident that happened, that
అసలు సెకండ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్, ఒక బాయ్ జైలుకి వెళ్ళారు అంటే ఒక మీనింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఒక ఫీమేల్ ని జైలుకి తీసుకెళ్లాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమొచ్చింది? అసలు మీరు జైలుకి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చింది?
సో ఆ లవ్ బ్రేకప్ అయింది, నేను బయటకు వచ్చాను. అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నాకు మళ్ళీ ఐ గాట్ టు వర్క్ బికాస్ అదే కేసెస్లో పోలీస్లో అన్నీ, ఇఫ్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు మేజర్ డిప్రెషన్. సో డిస్ట్రాక్షన్ కావాలి, నేను గెట్ బ్యాక్ టు వర్కింగ్. సో ఆ టైంలో నాకు ఒక ఆఫర్ వచ్చింది. హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి ఒక కోఆర్డినేటర్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు చెప్పారు అదే యూఎస్లో ఒక ఈవెంట్ ఉంది, ఐ వాంట్ టు సెండ్ యూ. ఎస్, ఐ విల్ గో, ఐ వాంట్ టు వర్క్. అండ్ ఆ టైంలో యుఎస్ ఎంబసీ ఉంది ముంబైలో అండ్ చెన్నైలో, హైదరాబాద్లో లేదు. సో హీ సెడ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ సర్టన్ డేట్, అదే వీసా అప్లై చేయడానికి చెన్నై we went on that certain date that he took the appointment. Akkada and he said, నేను ఒక అసిస్టెంట్ మీకు పంపించేస్తా, she will take care of your hair, makeup anni, because you're going there. I said fine, because also coming out of there, I want to help women. If I can make one difference to one woman, I'll be so happy. So that lady is a widow, she has 2 kids and widow, and he introduced me to her. I said okay. So when we went inside, ఆ అమ్మాయికి ఐడెంటిటీ ఫేకే, పాస్పోర్ట్ ఫేకే, బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్, బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అన్నీ ఫేకే. అండ్ యూ అండ్ మీ ఆర్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పీపుల్, మేము కూడా ఒక రియల్ అండ్ ఒక ఫేక్ పాస్పోర్ట్కి డిఫరెన్స్ మనకి తెలీదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, ఐ విల్ నాట్ చెక్ హర్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్. వై విల్ ఐ? నేను బిఫోర్ దిస్ ఐవ్ ట్రావెల్ ఫర్ షూట్స్. సో నా మేకప్ మ్యాన్కి, హెయిర్ డ్రెస్సర్కి నేను పాస్పోర్ట్ ఎవరు చెక్ చేయలేదు. And ఈ టైంలో కూడా I never checked her documents, even if I would have checked. Okay, how can I tell? How can you, me, anybody tell the difference between a real and a fake passport? So all her documents were fake. Then later they arrested us. Later on we came to know, inside only we came to know, the invite they gave me was fake. The invite they gave her, the same invite was given to both of us, that is fake. Later on we came to know there was no event. That event was only fake. So I don't know why, like this, chalo, I fell in love with someone, valu correct person ledu, and domestic violence happened. I understand that was a choice I made to be there and to leave at a certain point. It was my choice. This incident was just not required, and I'm telling you, like you said, for a girl from an army background whose parents, I'm the only daughter,
True.
to land up into jail because an invite is the simplest thing. Nenu, if I want to go to US, I can go as a tourist, and I know enough people. Okay, invite please naku, genuine invite I can get, no problem. Embassy koda, if me document sariga ledu, they will say rejected. They don't arrest you. But ఎందుకు ఎలా అయింది నాకు తెలీదు. అండ్ ఆ టైంలో అన్ని న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, they were against. they wrote what was selling, which was a scoop, which was hot selling headlines. ఆ అమ్మాయి ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ అమ్మాయి తప్పు చేసింది. They only wrote shit.
అబ్బా.
And I remember when I came out of jail, there was one TV9, Mr. Dinkar, only one journalist who came to me and said, "Madam, what is your story?" And I started crying. I said, "You realize I have worked so hard during this time. I have given my best to this industry. But when it came to me being in problem, to tell the people the truth, only one person is coming. Nobody else is contacting me. Nobody wants to know. They only want to sell headlines." Then I gave up. I said, okay, if it is running their kitchen, if it's getting them salary, no problem. I'm doing something good. I'm doing charity indirectly. Nobody cares about the truth. So, live your life. దాని తర్వాత నాకు ఆఫర్స్ తగ్గించి, ఐ మీన్ జస్ట్ స్టాప్డ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. అండ్ మై స్ట్రగుల్ ఇన్ హిందీ స్టార్టెడ్. I struggled. There came a point when I told my mama, గర్ల్స్కి మా అందరికి మైండ్లో ఫిక్స్ ఉంది కి గర్ల్స్కి 18 to 25, 30 మ్యాక్సిమంకి కెరియర్ అయిపోతుంది. So I said, "Mama, I think that time has come for me. I don't want to go for audition. I don't want to do anything because it's not happening." She said, "Why are you worrying? We are there. You have one work. Okay? You don't have education to fall back because Nenu only 10+2. Nantarvata I got busy. You don't have education to fall back. We don't have any other children to support. Only you are there. We are there now. You go for audition. Keep trying." That's all I did. So I believe the master script writer sitting up there, he put me through hot soup. The green tea, the hot water low, you have to put the green tea for the flavor to come. And whatever strength, like I was not a strong kid, I was very protected. So whatever struggle I went through, that made me strong. And jail lo, I met such wonderful people. So na love affair lo, the person I'm staying with was like a jail, because anytime you would get punched, you would get boxed, you would get kicked. Jail lo, where reform kosam they beat you up, and that's what we have seen in TV. I met lovely people who are inside not because వాళ్ళు తప్పు చేశారు, but because they trusted the wrong people. So most I feel ki okay, it is karma what
True,
takes you in, maybe some past life thing that you're serving now, you have to go through it. But every person who goes to jail is not a criminal. Sometimes it's just they trusted the wrong people, because a criminal knows నేను ఈ తప్పు చేస్తున్నాను, సో ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నాకు can come, and వాళ్ళు he takes care of all those problems, all loopholes, all legal. That's why they go to jail. Yes, someday they will go to jail, but not necessary they will go to jail. It is the innocent people more so that who land up, because they're saying we are not doing anything wrong, nothing will happen to us.
How many days?
1 week.
1 week.